Hello guys, good morning guys. So this is the Malibu guys. English na karon guys. Kaya para Australia ni. So I will make a test drive now. Uh, I did not reset first. I did not make a reset or relearn the transmission. Now the number three, yani have little yani problem for the ship. And number four, before shifting number four, the RPM like up and down. Okay, but uh, I will make a print for this car. I will make a auto scan, so we have problem in the engine. Okay, and there's others. But now I'll focus on this engine because the code is misfire detected. Okay, misfire detected, and uh, this misfire, yani, he did not put in what cylinder. But he tell the computer scanner tell the have a engine misfire. Okay, so I will make live data, or I see in the data stream. So I see the misfire. So I found we have a cylinder one misfire. Okay, this is the number for misfire 12. He 12, 8, 9, 13. He up and down. Okay, and when you make accelerator, it's coming zero. Okay, so ini zero, it means ini good, no misfire. But this cylinder number one have misfire. Okay, this is the current. Okay, current misfire. In the history, we have cylinder one misfire to 118, so too much. Okay, and number five for the history, but in the current, only cylinder number one. Okay, now if we have a problem in the engine, any, it's also a peak in the transmission. So now I will try to reset uh, in the transmission. I will try to reset 3.0. This is a V6 3.0 GDI. Okay, Chevrolet Malibu 2013 LT is. So now we are in a special function, transmission fast relearn. This function is only performed after transmission internal or component replacement. Okay, so he said in the caution or notice, this function should be only performed after a transmission internal repair or component replacement. So he said that it's only perform this function if the transmission is repair or have a part replacement. Okay, this is maybe take up to 10 minutes to complete. Refer the service manual for additional information. Okay, so now we have tried to reset and wait for 10 minutes. Sometimes if you reset this transmission, if you reset this learner, you have problem in the shifting. Okay, so now I hope we don't have problem, because if they have problem, it's difficult to, it's need more time to relearn. Now I hope. Okay, we try to reset. So transmission degree, sit on the park, engine stop zero. Okay, back. Condition not satisfied. What again? Uh, Yes, record the service for additional. Okay, communicating, please wait. So start. device limit exceed 80%. Oh, so we need to erase the code. We need to erase the code first. For the transmission, we don't have code, but in the engine have code. So try to erase. Okay. Transmission special function. Okay. Okay. I think this not capable for reset. Wait, I will drive. Oh, see. So now let's see. So this is not capable to reset. Berto is okay. Number three yan is little yan problem. You see the RPM, make up and down. Okay. Before it shifting for number 4. Now not already number 4. It's hard to shift in the number 4. So I will make update to you guys because I'm in the road. I will make update to you if it coming good or not. Okay. Guys, now I go to the workshop. Now guys, when I observe in this transmission, when you accelerate slowly and you see the shifting, the number 3 and number 4 have a problem. But if you press the accelerator quickly, maybe half faster, the problem not coming but very little. Okay. So now I will try. I tell to the customer to fix this misfire detected. If you want to fix, see what the problem. Maybe you have problem in spark plug or ignition coil or injector or wiring. So I will tell the customer fix this first the misfire. I hope it coming good transmission, the shifting. Okay. Okay, so thank you guys. Thank you for viewing my video. So Australia. I hope you hear me. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more video and more problem. Okay. So thank you.